Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today I am going to present my project Intermediate 6 about my future plans of my life. Well, okay. Well, next year I hope I will to create my own business like graphic designer because it's my dream. For that reason, I have been studying graphic design since 2020 until now. I have always liked to draw and design. I remember that in that year, in 2020, I studied architecture, but I didn't like it. So I decided to change my career for my ex-career for graphic design. Also, I am going to finish my career next year. I hope pass all my courses because this semester has been very exhausting. I am feeling nervous and at the same time I am excited. I fear I will have more courses more difficult, but not impossible to pass. I have always thought that we should attitude. Okay. In fact, I intend to start another career like marketing because I think that it will help me to complement my courses and I will probably to have more job opportunities. I plan to travel alone next year because I have never done anything like this and I want to do it. I have always wanted to know Cusco and I think that it will be my first destination. Also, I plan to trip at different places because I want to know new places, new cities, new costumes and new cultures and other more. I intend to have a lot of experience before I have a family. And within 2 years, I plan to move an apartment because I have lived with my parents since I was born. And I need to, I think that I need my own space. I hope I will find one that is not expensive because I am afraid I won't be able to rent it. That's all. Thank you very much.